Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to my car. Today, I'm sitting outside of the local Barnes & Noble. I'm planning my next adventure. We are going to be taking an Alaskan cruise aboard the Celebrity Millennium. And I'm here this morning for the sole purpose of researching my ports, trying to figure out what we're going to be doing in all of those ports. As you know, you can book excursions way ahead of time. But before I book those, I kind of want to know what they're all about and what I can expect on them. So that's why I'm here today. I do typically come to the bookstore when I'm planning a trip because I enjoy looking at all of the planning materials that they have here in the bookstore. And I sit with pen to paper and take a lot of notes and just kind of decide what it is I'm going to be doing. And that's what I'll be doing today. I'm going to take you along with me on my trip here to the bookstore, show you the tools that I use, show you exactly how I kind of keep track and take all of my notes to plan. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit the like, subscribe, share, and pound that notification button so you can come along with me on all of our next adventures. And above all, enjoy the rush of travel. Hey, Travel Rushers. So we're here at Barnes & Noble. In my previous video, I told you that we were going to check out the travel section. So I finally found the Alaska section with the help of some nice young man that pointed them out to me because I couldn't see them. They have several books on Alaska, and as you can see, there are a couple that talk about cruising, Alaska cruises, like this one. So I think I will definitely be using this one for some research. Everybody, so now we're at the magazine travel section here at Barnes & Noble, and they have a lot of different periodicals you can use. I happen to have this one at home. So when I'm at home, I have a travel journal, and I've taken a lot of my bucket list travels out of this periodical. This periodical comes out a lot. And in a later video, I'll show you my travel journal once I get home. So don't forget to come in and use these as your source of resource for any of your travel adventures or when you're looking up your adventures and trying to figure out that next bucket list. Thanks for coming along, Travel Rushers. Enjoy the rush of travel.